guys, I just got my new GAN air cube, so I'm just gonna unbox this really quick. So you might have seen it in one video because I already took it out, but yeah. So this is my new cube. Oh, it feels super good. Oops, I messed up. Okay, well, I'll solve it later, but this is super good. Like, it's so soft and like the movements are so good. And also inside there's this thing, which I don't really know what it does, but I think it screws these into it or out. These are the special screws inside it. This is the screw thingy. And yeah, these are all the modded screws. And this is the GAN Air. It was $36 on Amazon. And yeah, it's pretty good for this type of cube. I would recommend you buying this because it's cheaper than other speed cubes, and it is like amazing. It's like super good. So yeah, this is my new GAN Air. I'll use it in my speed cubing videos, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and see you